Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Naruzana binti Janani. I'm from Group 8 and this is my group member Cepaka Emeline, Nuri Nabila dan Nur Aina Nadira. So today I will present about two topics, integrated accounting and limited liability partnership. Okay, the first one is limited liability partnership LLP. What is LLP? LLP is means the partners have limitation in liabilities. Uh, each of the partner do not liable or being responsible for the others or misconduct. Creditor do not have right to the personal asset of the partners if the partners have having failure. LLP is a body corporate and which has a separate legal entity, and it also have right to sue and being sued, or owning, acquire and dispose the property of it. And LLP can be applied by many parties and companies, like for professional, such accountants, lawyer, joint venture, and also those in small and medium enterprise SME. SME, it can give benefit to them. Why apply this LLP? Because they do have much worry about their personal asset and also personal liabilities. Next. In a LLP, you also have, when you want to convert into LLP, you just have such a situation which you are in the conventional partnership, private company, and also conventional profession firm as to be professional practice. And the registration fee in this case of conversion is about 500 ringgit Malaysia. And next is when the changes, it might be happen and in LLP, it might be happen change in registered address, business address, business type, and also changes of partner information and the compliance officer, as the fee for making changes is only 30 ringgit. And LLP also need to make annual declaration, which is must within 90 days for the end of financial year, and after registration of LLP, it must have the annual declaration that not more 18 months of registered date, and the fee is around about 200 ringgit. So I will pass next to my friend Aina Nadira. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I am Nur Aina Nadira. I will continue with the benefit contributed by the formation of LLC. The major benefit is the application of the separate legal entities. The separate legal entities somehow protect the partner from any claims that came for the LPP companies. The LPP companies are, for example, if the LPP company are being sued by the client for the breach of contract, the claim can be can only affected the LP company itself. It will not affecting the personal property of the partners such as saving account, houses or cars. The next benefit is the flexibility in management of LPP. The flexibility can be seen in in the profit profit distribution and management of partnership. The profit distribution is can be seen. The profit distribution will motivate the partners to contribute more to the partnership business in order to demand more profit portions. The flexibility in management partnership can be seen in there are no limited period of for the member to be in the LPP companies. The LPP companies can easily terminate or add any member to the company if they for the sake of the company financial interest. The For example, if a company that can bring more profit to the LPP company, the LPP company can easily brought the company into the LPP company as the new partner. The next to be discussed is issue raised upon the formation of the LPP companies. The major issue that raised by the LPP companies is the public disclosure. The financial statement of the LPP companies that contains partner annual income need to be submitted to the public view. This submission is not preferable for the partners. Some partners may want their amount of income that they want to hide from the view of public. For example, if they have some loss amount, so they want to hide the amount from the view of public because it may hinder some investors to invest in their company. The next is public disclosure about the partners details such as contact number and residential address in the company profile. This personal information is available in display in the view of public and it is very disturbing for the partners. The partners may not want their personal information to be displayed in the view of public. The next issue to be raised by the LPP company is the minimum member in the LPP. As we know, as in partnership business, the minimum member is two partners in the LPP company. So if the one of the member decided to terminate their partnership agreement, the LPP will have to force dissolution. So as we know, a single proprietorship business is not considered as a partnership business. Upon the issue raised, in the conclusion, upon the issue raised by the formation of LPP company, the LPP companies may apply for the dissolution of LPP. The dissolution can be applied through the application of voluntary winding up with a fee of 100 ringgit only. That's all from topic of LPP company. I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you, Aina. Okay, now I will present about integrated accounting. Okay, integrated accounting is a system that record all costs and transactions that combines the primary financial accounting function into a completely ledger. This system facilitates and help the company ensures that abnormal profits, different and cost losses can overcome or stabilizes the company. Furthermore, the device will assess businesses with preparing profit and loss reports and balance sheets in compliance with financial accounting rules. Moreover, the system can record and provide accurate details about process, job, inventory price, and other activity that occur within the company. Next. Okay, next is advantage of integrated accounting. First, it provides a real-time view transaction information. Suppose the company has its accounting system used by the company. In the case, the company must take all the data from the ordering system manually and enter into the accounting system. This does not invite problem of a company, even possible problems such as not having complete financial information and making wise and quick decisions. This also necessitates an additional workforce to complete the job manually, impeding the company progress. Okay, next, the second, uh, calculation the commission and cost used by the company accurately. Accounting has a problem is that it's not directly deal with order management. As a result, the corporation does not have a complete understanding of the price. Accounting that is implemented with generic system like estimating say commission, calculation, price, and other costs. Since all of the data is directly entered into the public ledger, it is easy to do correct calculation with no error because it's contain all necessary information. Okay, next, enter data and increase trust. We need to manually enter the customer and window data detail using the accounting software offered by the firm. This can lead to issues such as a double entry of data or missing data. This data is inaccurate since human enter it, and this will expose human error. The task of entering data requires focus, attention, and a lot of time to avoid information recording error. Okay, lastly, workplace productivity and change. Okay, releasing information required extra energy and time. It also reverses the wrongdoings and omission committed by human beings without realizing this cause misconduct. Using an integrated accounting system, the company can use time efficiently because hosts can make the best of their time by having an automatic accounting system, and they can use the spare time to do other things or focus on growing the business. Furthermore, device incorporation guarantees the accuracy of data can be used for things like tax filing. That's all from me. I will pass for my partners.
Thank you, Nurin. Next is disadvantage of integrated accounting. The disadvantage contribute to the informations of the integrated accounting is that information is provided to all external and internal reporting standards in a common mechanism. The need to provide records for legal reasons can impact data accuracy that can be made available for management purpose. For example, having inventory price on a LIFO basis might be more beneficial for management purpose. However, this will not be appropriate for external reporting purpose, and the above criteria could take precedence over management facts. Then the disadvantage contribute is device allows detail to be delayed. This is because knowledge must be obtained in each department. It gets difficult as the system is required to satisfy cost and financial condition. Next is the disadvantage contribute to the information of integrated accounting is not appropriate for the company's major issue, and it necessitates high cost and fixed costs, resulting in high company expenditure. This is because business challenges are uncommon. Furthermore, the disadvantage is according to the new technologies. Since the corporation must pay workers wages based on their experience and expertise, the company costs increase. In conclusion, this integrated accounting has its advantage and disadvantage in our opinion. This integrated accounting system can be simplify all the work by entering information without making mistakes, such as entering the same information and incorrect information. The system can also reduce company expenses as there is no need to pay additional employee salaries to do the work manually. That's all from us. Thank you.